Welcome. Here is where we explore the latest in military tech, futuristic weapons, and aircraft platforms. Today, we're diving into Tesla's groundbreaking robots, specifically Optimus, a humanoid machine that could reshape warfare and society. Stay with us. The ending holds a surprising, little-known fact about its origins. Let's get started. Tesla, known for its electric vehicles, is now a major player in robotics with Optimus. Unveiled by Elon Musk in 2021, this humanoid robot has evolved from an early prototype to a machine capable of performing complex tasks. Musk has described it as a fundamental transformation for civilization, with potential applications in manufacturing, logistics, and beyond. Powered by the same AI technology as Tesla's self-driving cars, neural networks, cameras, and natural language processing, Optimus is designed to learn from video data. This raises the question, could it serve as a military asset, adapting to combat scenarios? We'll explore its capabilities and implications next. Optimus has demonstrated practical abilities. Recent updates from May 2025 show it performing tasks like wiping surfaces, tearing paper towels, and stirring food, all driven by a single neural network trained on first-person videos. The Gen 2 model, unveiled in 2023, is 22 pounds lighter, 30% faster, and features hands with 22 degrees of freedom for enhanced dexterity, capable of handling delicate operations. Tesla plans to deploy 5,000 Optimus units in factories by late 2025 for tasks like sorting parts, showcasing its industrial potential. For military applications, this could translate to carrying gear, scouting terrain, or supporting logistics. However, reports from October 2024 suggest some demos, including the Wii robot event, involved human teleoperation, raising questions about its autonomy. Is Optimus truly autonomous, or are we seeing a controlled performance? Let's examine the risks and benefits next. Optimus's potential comes with significant risks and rewards. Robotics professor Ken Goldberg from UC Berkeley warns, robots are not going to suddenly become the science fiction dream overnight, but the lack of understanding in AI algorithms could lead to unintended consequences. Imagine a bot misfiring in a war zone. This highlights the danger of deploying untested AI in critical environments. On the positive side, Carolina Parada from Google DeepMind states, "This is the year people realized you can build general-purpose robots. AI could revolutionize productivity, from logistics to elder care, and potentially peace operations." This suggests Optimus could enhance efficiency and safety in various sectors. However, its reliance on human assistance and unresolved autonomy issues could limit its battlefield role. How might this technology impact military strategy? We'll dive deeper next. Optimus has generated significant hype. Elon Musk predicts it could outvalue Tesla's car business, with millions of units by 2029. The focus is on industrial applications, but its military potential, pairing with drones or aircraft, could transform logistics and reconnaissance. Tesla leverages car tech like batteries and AI chips, suggesting scalability. Yet, skepticism persists. Christian Hubicki from Florida State notes its capabilities are standard, not mind-blowing for humanoids, and data limits or reliability issues could hinder progress. The projected $20,000 to $30,000 price tag may also restrict widespread adoption, though Musk anticipates cost reductions. The truth about Optimus's limits is coming. Stay tuned for an interesting fact about its origin. Optimus has made progress, walking uneven terrain and balancing after slips, but full autonomy remains elusive. The 2024 Wii robot event revealed human-assisted operations, and experts question its readiness for complex tasks. Reliability concerns, such as factory downtime, could delay its evolution. Militarily, pairing Optimus with advanced aircraft or drones could create a networked force for scouting or logistics. Tesla's integration of car tech offers a foundation for rapid development, but challenges like data processing and real-time decision-making need resolution. Another intriguing, lesser-known fact about Optimus is that its early development involved testing with recycled parts from Tesla's discontinued Roadster project, including lightweight aluminum frames and experimental battery modules. This resourceful approach, revealed in a 2023 Tesla engineering blog, helped accelerate prototyping while keeping costs low, showcasing Musk's signature strategy of leveraging existing technology for new innovations. Optimus could transform military tech from logistics to combat support, but its full potential hinges on overcoming autonomy and reliability hurdles. Would you trust this robot on a mission? Like, share, and join us as we explore the future of warfare. Thanks for watching. On our next video, we'll cover next-gen aircraft. Don't miss it. In the meantime, keep your eyes on the horizon and let us know if there are any military tech topics you would like us to cover.